Hey everyone, this is a iPhone XS Max unboxing and initial review video. So here we have it. I have a shrink wrap, just got it delivered actually today. It's September 23rd. We got XS Max in silver. That was the color I chose. I used to get blacks and golds, but I thought I'd try the silver this time, especially because the front is, no longer with a white face, so I think that'd be fine. So let's open it up. Okay, the usual cards and whatnot. Okay. Put those aside. And here she is. Obviously, cable and ear jacks, mics. So here she is. XS Max 6.5 inch OLED. Let's fire it up. Sorry about the reflections. Let me take off this oh, this thing looks pretty snazzy. It's pretty awesome. All right, we got the 6.5 inch ready to go. Got the aluminum trim around the edges. It's kind of like a white back, which is pretty cool. Actually, I like that duality. Here's the camera system. We'll see how that goes. All right. Ciao. Yeah, well, we have iOS 12. So I am going from a 7 Plus to this. So it should be a pretty big upgrade, 2-year gap, and I'm going to do a iCloud backup and then sync down to this thing so I can continue off where I left off. So I'll probably do a second video on this, but I just thought I'd do an unveiling so you can see the fingerprints. Obviously I'm going to clean that up before I put my case. I haven't decided on which case to get just yet, but this thing is exactly the same size as the 7 Plus or 6 Plus if you've had that, or 8 Plus, just that the screen now takes up the entire area, bottom to top, minus that thin band around there versus, the thick non-screen areas of the old design. So I'm pretty excited about this. I'm sure the performance is going to be killer. I'll do another video on the performance of this thing. But yeah, that's about it. And yeah, we will let you know when we upload the next one on the features and performance and whatnot. Thank you for watching.